Hi guys, Daniel here from SS Heating, doing a tool talk review on the Monument Tools OMAT. Does everything you need a heat mat to do. Very protective of all the work surfaces, doesn't smell too much when it burns. Very protective, touch the back end of that and not hot at all. Protects wallpaper, any wall really, from being burnt, really good. Handy about these is they have the little flap at the back there to protect this opening, and it fits over 15mm pipe quite nice, and 22mm pipe. Does whatever you need to do. It's got a 150mm and a 300mm in the bag. Like I said, this is the same, got a flap at the back, fits nice and tight over. You ain't going to be burning anyone's wall with it. Thank you very much, Tool Talk.